Hi, and welcome to Window Cleaning Dude. In today's episode, we're going to talk about referrals. A good marketing strategy and a good business practice for any business, especially a service industry business, and especially for window cleaning, is to get referrals. Now, referrals are not that hard to get, and it's not that hard to ask for, and so we're going to go over that in this video. Referrals are basically word of mouth, or they could be somebody handing your business card to a friend or family member. So you definitely want to have referrals in this business. It's something that's going to help you to not have to knock doors and allow you to just focus on window cleaning. So there are several different methods to get window cleaning jobs and to not have to knock doors and drop business cards. And referrals is one of those really good methods of getting customers without having to do the hard work. So with referrals, a customer is going to basically think that you did an awesome job, and then they're going to go and tell their neighbor, they're going to tell their friends and their family, or they're going to go tell people they work with, and then you're going to get more jobs. And so the easiest way to get a good referral is to do a really good job for your customer. So make sure you're giving them 100%, 110%. Just go above and beyond expectation, and you're going to get a referral from somebody who is a reasonable person. Now, if it's a super picky person, you still might get a referral, but typically any person is going to be happy if you've done a really good job at their house or their place of business. They're going to be willing to give you a referral just because you did such an awesome job. So as long as you're giving it your best and doing your best, you should have no problem getting a referral. Now, you can rely on just word of mouth referral, but my preferred method is to actually give several business cards to a customer at the end of a job. And so as they're handing me a check or payment, then I then hand them several business cards and I say, here's a few business cards, please hand them out to your neighbors or friends and family or whoever that you think might like to have their windows cleaned. The other thing that I would ask for is for them to go and do a review of you on Google or on other sites that I'm not going to mention here, but have them do a review of your business for you, and that's just as good as them handing out a business card, and that's basically a referral, right? It's like an online referral. So ask them to do that as well. So hand them the business card, say please hand these out, and then just say, and if you could also go online and leave me a review on Google or whatever other place you want them to leave a review for you. And if you have a list of places, maybe like 3 or 4 lists of places, you might want to get some business cards also printed up with those places you want them to go and do the referrals, and you can just hand them that and say, please go to these sites and leave me a few referrals if you can on my business, or I mean, not a referral, but a review. Leave me a review on these sites of how well I did. Now with that, I would only ask that for them to go do a review online to those sites based on if you thought you did do a good job and if you can just kind of sense that they're happy with the job that you did. If you're thinking that they're not happy, then you don't want to ask them to go give you a review online. But if you feel pretty confident in the situation, then absolutely ask for that as well. Most customers are going to be fine with that, and if they're really pleased with your work, they're going to be happy not only to hand out your card, but to go online and give you a review. Now, another method that you might try with the business cards, if you don't think that they're going to want to be, if you don't think that your customers are going to want to give you referrals through business cards and hand out your business cards, you could always try a method of, hey, I've got this discount program where you refer, every person that you refer to me that results in a job, I'm going to give you 10% off, or I'm going to give you, this many windows off next time. I'll clean 2 windows for free, or I'm going to give you $25 off. You got to kind of come up with your incentive. But that's also a good idea, is to have like an incentive program to get people thinking, oh, well, every time I get a referral to this guy who gets their windows cleaned, he's going to give me 10% off. So if I get him like 10 customers, maybe I'm going to get my whole place cleaned for free. And that's something you should be willing to do if it means you getting 10 new customers that you weren't going to have, and it's going to bring you a lot more money. That's always a good idea, to bring in business fast and then get those repeat customers, and then that customer is going to be super excited because they're like, yes, I got this much off, or I got this place cleaned for free because I got them all these customers. And then that can just totally just start stacking. You know, you can really scale your business like that. And so you might want to think deeply about that. That's a good option. Alright, so I hope you found some good content in this video. This is kind of a short video, but nevertheless, give me that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my window cleaning channel here on YouTube. Be a part of this community and show YouTube that you do enjoy these videos. Also hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Also don't forget to comment down below, and visit windowcleaningdude.com to learn everything that I have to offer. It's all free for you. It's basically a business franchise, start to finish. Everything you need to know if you're new and don't know anything, it's all there. How to do window cleaning, the tools you need to have, a list of all the items you need to buy and how to use them, where to buy them, a step-by-step guide. It's all free, it's all there. So visit windowcleaningdude.com, and I will see you in the next episode.